Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix this error code in Epic Games that says install failed. Now before we do begin with this video though, make sure to like the video if it helped, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, close up your Epic Games right over here, and also on the tray bar, right click on Epic Games, exit out, right click on the taskbar, task manager right over here, and on the process, if you do see any Epic Games related running up, just go ahead and right click on it and add tasks. As you can see, there's one, even though we closed it out. Now it's done, go ahead and click on your keyboard Windows plus R, then type in percentage local up data percentage. Click OK once done. This window will pop up with all the folders. Go ahead and find Epic Games right over here, Epic Games Launcher. Epic Games Launcher. Go to Save Folder and Web Cache folder. Now over here, just go ahead and go back. Just make sure we had that. Go ahead and click that and click on Delete. Close that out and relaunch your game and see if the problem still persists. Now if the problem still persists, go ahead and right click on your game once more, or Epic Games right over here, properties right over here. A window will pop up, compatibility. Now go ahead and hover down right over here with disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Go ahead and click on those, make sure they have both checked, click apply, okay, then relaunch your game and see if the problem still persists. Now basically that will be all for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, have a great rest of your day. Peace.